How to unlock KZ in the Strongest Battlegrounds. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to unlock KZ in the Strongest Battlegrounds. So without delaying any further, let's get started. To get KZ in the Strongest Battlegrounds, you need to be either an admin or become a top donator. Both of these methods can be considered almost impossible for most players. This is not surprising since the number of admins doesn't typically increase. At the same time, becoming a top donator in the Strongest Battlegrounds is not much easier. Even though you only need to become a top donator over a month and not over for the entire time, it is still quite difficult, or it would be more correct to say that it is quite expensive. In any case, these two methods are the only ones that will help you to get KZ in the Strongest Battlegrounds. So if you really want it, be prepared to donate a lot. So in this very simple way, you could unlock KZ in the Strongest Battlegrounds. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.